User-generated content, or UGC, is one of the most powerful tools in e-commerce today. In this video, I'm going to show you how to encourage your customers to create UGC that can drive trust, engagement, and sales. People trust other people more than brands. UGC gives your potential customers a look at how your products are being used in real life. It's authentic, credible, and it works. Let's dive into how you can harness UGC to grow your e-commerce store. UGC works because it's authentic. When real customers post reviews, photos, or videos of your products, it resonates with the potential buyers. They see people like themselves enjoying your products, and that builds trust. And a pro trick, run a UGC campaign with a branded hashtag to gather customer posts in one place. UGC comes in many forms. It can be in reviews, photos, unboxing videos, or even how-to content created by your customer. The key is to use a mix of content that highlights your products from different angles. A tip: offer incentives like discounts or free products to customers who create UGC. A pro trick: feature the best UGC on your products page or social media to inspire others to join. Social proof is a powerful motivator in e-commerce. Potential customers are more likely to buy if they see that others are happy with your products. UGC provides that proof in an authentic way. Another tip is to add UGC to your product pages to show how popular your item is. And a pro trick: use UGC in your paid ads to give your campaign a more authentic, relatable feel. Don't just let UGC live on social media. Bring it into your marketing strategy. Use UGC in your ads, emails, and your website. It's a low-cost way to showcase your products while building trust with potential buyers. Another tip: add UGC to your email campaign to boost engagement and clicks. And a pro tip: create shoppable UGC posts on Instagram where users can buy directly from the content. User-generated content is one of the most effective tools you have in your e-commerce brand. Start encouraging your customers to share their experiences today and watch the impact on your sales.